My heartbeat standing on the edge, but my feet have finally left the ledge. Like an echo back, there's no turning back. I'm letting go of the life I planned for me and my dreams. I'm losing control of my destiny. It feels like I'm falling, and that's what it's like to believe. So I'm letting go. This is a giant leap of faith, trusting and trying to embrace the fear of the unknown, beyond my comfort zone. I'm letting go of the life I planned for me and my dreams. I'm losing control of my destiny. It feels like I'm falling, and that's what it's like to believe. So I'm letting go, giving in to your gravity, knowing you are holding me. I'm not afraid. I'm letting go of the life I planned for me, my dreams, losing control of my destiny. It feels like I'm falling, and that's what it's like to believe, yeah. It feels like I'm falling, and this is the life for me.